Guys, lately I've been thinking na dapat magkaroon ng isang plataporma ang pamahalaan na isinusulong ang pagbigay ng ayuda para sa mga taong nangangailangan katulad ng libreng wifi, pera at saka siyempre pang-travel at uunahin po natin siyempre ang mga taga Batangas, Makati at Cubao. So, kung pasok po kayo do'n, alam mo na. Gian, anong say mo sa bagong plataporma na ipapasulong ng pamahalaang natin?
Ay, gustong-gusto ko 'yan kasi kailangan na kailangan ko din yung suporta. Suporta ng pamahalaan lalo na dito sa larangan ng Makati.
Ay, totoo.
Mahal po ang bilihin dito, hindi po ako makapagpalengke 'cause like I don't know where it is. So like, it's hard to buy at Rustan's every time. Charing! Hindi po ako Rustan's naggo-grocery.
Ang yaman. Sabihin ko sana,
Ang yaman!
wow, Rustans.
Wala namang pambayad, grabe. Char lang yun. Walter Mart lang ako, guys.
Walter Mart. Pero may gusto kong ipasulong, 'di ba, G? Na plataporma.
Oo, siyempre ang ipapasulong ko at tuwing, wow! And every episode, hindi na po ako magpapanggap na magaling ako magtagalog ng madlalim. But of course, guys, ang aming plataporma ever since the world began is to, of course, follow and support Feelings Explain the podcast on all social media channels. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Wala kami sa Threads because wala lang, hindi namin siya magawa. And then, of course, please rate our show, give us 5 stars, boost our confidence. Magsimula na tayo ng totoong episode. What is your small win or shit of the week?
So, I have a small win and the shit of the week. So, simulan ko muna sa small win. Yung small win ko ay, merong binabasa aming panibagong plataporma. May binabasa aming memo na na super natuwa ako kasi it gonna change my life financially. Hindi ako na-promote, guys. Pero alam mo yon, mas naano ako na, kailangan natin ng pera. Kailangan by the end of this year, may pera ako. As in pera. Yon, dapat may ganun ako. Hindi yung 50 pesos, guys, Hindi yung ganon. Oh, basta, I have enough money. At ang shit of the week ko ay nasira na naman po ang aking mic, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na po kung ganito ang aking quality ng boses. Yes, wala po tayong magagawa. We have to adapt to change. Ikaw, Gian, do you have a small win or shit of the week?
Teka, hindi ko na paghandaan, pero may naisip na ako eh. Parang win ata ako this week. Ay, oo, naalala ko na yung i-entry ko this week. So, totoo talaga to. This happened recently na nakapaglinis ako ng ref. And I don't, guys, grabe. Iba yung feeling na, oh my God, it's squeaky clean, it's white, grabe. Alam nyo, ginamit ko pa yung mga tips na nalaman ko online, which is ipaghalo ang cornstarch and suka para maging maputi siya and like, toothbrush the like gilid-gilid and everything. Yes,
It
it's a real
works.
thing, Pat. And yes, pumuputi siya, oo. And you can use it in alam mo yung mga sa tiles?
Oh,
Yon. So, yung mga
yeah.
gilid-gilid, na-try ko din siya sa CR ko, guys, and wow! Hindi naman siya sobrang, oh my God, naging puti talaga, pero na-bleach in fairness yung yung mga tiles. So, this week, well, yeah, the past, parang a few days ago, nagawa ko yun. I was just so into cleaning habang nakikinig ng Succession podcast. Ganun ako eh. Kailangan, hindi ako pwedeng, alam mo yun, yung parang
Mabakante.
brain freeze, mabakante. So, habang naglilinis, podcast pa din, guys. Ganun. At minsan, pag naguhugas ako ng pinggan, actually, nakikinig ako ng i-edit kong episode ng Feelings Explained. Ganun po ako mag-hustle. Wow.
Yes,
Yun ang win ko.
multitasker. Bago tayo magsimula, I just want to give a big shout out sa mga taong nakikinig po sa Tokyo. Hi, guys!
Konnichiwa.
Hi!
Tama ba?
I
Konnichiwa?
think so.
Japan?
Konnichiwa. Moshi mosh.
Oo.
Hi, hello. I
Oh,
think that's the Japanese.
kawaii. Yes,
Hindi-
they're the the parang highest number of listeners in
In
Japan.
Japan,
Wow.
yes. Oh, ang taray,
Love
di
it.
ba? This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears. The episode actually is all about what happens after you move on. Like the aftermath, basically. So, Gian, itong episode pala na to ay nag-derive din siya from one of our conversations where sometimes you realize na you're suddenly clean of everything. Or nasa process ka na ng healing or nakapag-heal ka na and then you realize na parang, oh shit, okay na pala ako. Nakalimutan ko na yung lahat. And then sometimes you look back and you laugh. Gian, may mga ganun ka bang mga na-experience lately?
Oh, yes. In a lot of aspects in my life, parang hindi lang siya romantic, eh, parang naa-apply yung alam mo yun, may naa-apply kang iba't ibang klase ng experiences in your life na very transformative that makes you realize na, "Oh my gosh, I'm over it." So, siguro ang pinaka-significant, well, madami. Significant talaga 'tong mga 'to kasi lalo na in your early 20s or in your mid-20s na parang you're going through that quarter life crisis, you're knowing who your trusted friends are,
Yeah.
parang kinikilala mo din yung sarili mo, 'di ba ang dami nangyayari. So parang yun yung parang sobrang pivotal ng ng 20s mo, eh. And now napa-exit na tayo dun. Wow! Oh my God. Parang feeling ko ito din yung this episode is like a dedication to the feelers and whoever is listening right now na parang reminder to okay lang. O parang okay lang na maramdaman mo yan ngayon. Sige lang namnamin mo. So sige, yung akin was I think it's my whole year as a 27-year-old. Siguro gano'n na lang. Kasi ang daming nangyari when I was
Oh,
27 na
wow.
parang, what? Alam mo yun, yung parang, this is so amazing. Kasi parang, ano ba ako ngayon? 28 ako ngayon, 'di ba? So nung 27-year-old ako, I think I went through all the stages of grief. Or something along the lines na gano'n. Parang I was moving on from old Gian. I was moving on from a supposed to be relationship that didn't follow through or it fell through the cracks. I was moving on from friendships that I wasn't liking so much na parang I need to get rid of that. I was moving on from a previous job na sinugulan ko, na triny ko, sinubukan ko, pinasok ko, kahit na ganito lang po ang kabayaran. Alam mo yun, parang I was saying goodbye to a lot of things and that actually requires me to move on. It wasn't just, alam mo yun, parang it's not just some impulsive choice na, oh my God, sige, ito yung gagawin ko. Hindi. Madaming decision making in the process, madaming pag-iisip and parang sa dami kong paalam na ginawa, it felt like the whole 27-year-old, like yung age ko na yun was parang I was just healing talaga. As in sobrang consciously healing and yeah, yun, in a nutshell, yun muna. But we can dive deep and himay-himay that along the episode.
Nakakatuwa, G, kasi 'di ba, yung your whole 27, ano ba tamang term? Your life as a
Face?
27-year-old,
Oo,
yes,
oo.
is basically it revolves around moving on from January to December, walang pahinga, 'di ba?
Yes.
Pero I'm sure there's that relief, that hinga ngayong 28 na nare-realize mo na It now it makes sense. Now it makes sense kung bakit ako nag-move on. Kasi alam mo, naka-relate din ako sa sinabi mo kanina na, I mean, as a 27-year-old, wala naman akong masyadong ikina-move on last year. Pero kasi ako, ang moving on phase ko was like, uh, spots in my life. Alam mo yun? Para siyang mga pin marks. Ganyan. So ako kasi, yung mga time na yun, I was not moving on from a romantic relationship, but I was moving on from my past self. Trying to stop those bad habits, trying to be a better person. At yes, I think nasabi na namin na hindi ganun kadali mag-move on, hindi ganun kadali na na magbago or magkaroon ng bagong phase
Yes.
in your life. Pero ang sarap din nung peace right after,
Mhm.
no?
Exactly. Which I feel like a lot of people who are in the moving on phase doesn't realize na there's actually peace after it. Kasi parang 'di ba when you're in that phase of oh my god, ang sakit. Yung namnam na namnam mo, sariwa, ang hapde, ganon. Parang nilagyan ng suka at cornstarch. Parang alam mo yung hindi ka parang hindi mo makita yung other side. You can't see the light at the end of the tunnel because you're still in that freaking tunnel na ikaw na rin naman ang nag-trap sa sarili mo. Minsan gano'n tayo. And ito pa, oh my God, isang insight na nakuha ko from moving on is that minsan ayaw natin ako, for me, yung personal experience ko is that ayaw kong mag-move on during the time na I'm supposed to be moving on because I was afraid na what if bumalik? What if there's a window of chance that this ain't gonna be the ending? You know, like
Yeah,
a glimmer of hope which makes you not move on. That was me.
sis.
Was me.
Sis,
Mm.
nagigets kita dyan. As in super,
Gets mo?
super, super, super nagigets kita. Kasi, ano yun eh, there's always that big what if pagdating sa moving on. Regardless kung sa trabaho, sa paglipat ng
Mm.
bahay, or friendship,
Mm.
romantic, anything. Pero, minsan kasi, iniisipin mo din, kaya feeling ko siya super chaotic nung moving on and healing process. Kaya siya chaotic is because minsan pinapaasa natin yung sarili natin. And it's not a bad thing. Like I don't think it's a bad thing because hope is always 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 a good thing. Pero sometimes you also have to know na enough is enough. Hanggang saan ko pwedeng
Yeah.
parusahan yung sarili ko sa kakaasa nito? Nakakaawa na ba ako? O talaga bang may awa
Mukha na ba
talaga ang
akong
Diyos?
tanga?
Oo.
Oo.
Yun.
Yeah. 'Di ba? Girl, tumpak ka dun, girl. Oo, totoo yan. Oh my God, oh my God. Ang sarap balikan kapag healed ka
'Di
na.
ba?
Ang
Kaya
yabang.
kaya alam mo actually sis
Oo.
natutuwa ako kasi, most of our
Oo.
episodes, and I'm sure we've said this on record before and our older feeders know about this. Ah, yung mga pinag-uusapan natin na heavy, madalas okay na tayo, eh, nasa kalagitnaan na tayo or nasa process na tayo na na tapos na, past na 'yan, okey na, we
Tagal
can
na nun.
we can
Mm.
bring back the wounds, tapos na yung lutuan phase.
Mm.
Kaya
Correct.
ang sarap din niyang balikan, pero alam mo kung ano,
Oo.
kung dun nagtataka ako na saan nanggagaling yung peace, like paano siya nagki-creep up sa'yo? Kasi minsan madalas nakakalimutan mo na siya, eh, mas lalo kung past relationships na parang, "Ay tangina
Yeah.
buhay pa pala siya." Yung gano'ng feeling.
Oo. Totoo yan. As in parang, ay, nag-e-exist pala kami sa iisang mundo. Parang in the multiverse, hindi siya magkalayong multiverse. We're actually rotating in the same space. Parang ganon. Na nakakalimutan mo nga na, oh yeah, that person actually exists. And sa totoo lang, I think dahil hindi ko rin alam yung sagot, pero siguro naman dahil when you go back to all your efforts, kasi 'di ba siyempre 'pag nag-move on ka, may conscious decision ka na, "Kailangan kong kalimutan 'to, kailangan kong bitawan 'to." Parang may gano'n, eh, gigisingin mo yung sarili mo. Hindi madali, parang 'di ba, magtutulog-tulugan ka pa, pretend-pretend tayo
Oo.
na wala tayong alam, gano'n. Pero parang ikaw na yon 'pag talagang fed up ka na tapos parang, "I'm so over this shit." Like 'pag nalaman mo na yung worth mo mare, yon dun ka kakapit sa worth, 'di ba, na parang, "Oh my God, I don't deserve that shit." Like, "I don't deserve to freaking not breathe because of this motherfucker." Alam mo yun?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't deserve this, basically. 'Pag nalaman mo na yun at kumapit ka dun, 'pag talagang ninamnam mo yung, "Ay shit, yung worth ko ito yon at hindi ako magpapatibag." Feeling ko mas madaling ma-reach yung hindi man agad kapayapaan agad-agad, but it's more of like slowly mo yung muscle of, "I can do this again. I can cut my ties with a person because parang you don't have to rely your whole self for another person." na feeling ko yun kasi yung naging ano ko before, naging ano ba, parang naging anggulo ko before na I was relying my happiness onto another person because I feel like, "Oh yeah, this person completes me." Oh my God, that's the biggest mistake, I think. Because like, once na nag-rely ka sa isang tao para sumaya ka, makumpleto ka, parang, girl, 'pag nawala si kuya mo at si ate mo, paano ka ngayon? Gano'n. My God, the
Tangina,
wisdom.
slow clap sis, slow clap. Oh my God, that was a damn fucking speech. At dahil po dyan, dito na po magtatapos ang episode na ito. Sis,
Girl,
pero ang
nakakaisang ano pa
ganda.
lang ata tayo.
Ang
Girl,
ganda.
felt mo ba?
Oo,
Felt
felt.
mo?
Ramdam ko sis hanggang
Mm.
Nueva Ecija. Te. Layo.
Bulaga,
Hindi, pero oo,
girl.
totoo, totoo, grabe. At saka tama naman 'yun guys, you shouldn't rely your happiness or love sa isang tao, sa isang trabaho, sa isang bagay. Sabi nga ng Fallout Boy, "You are what you love, not who loves you." Remember guys, remember, 'di ba? It's one of my favorite lyric. Anyway, alam mo, kaya ko interested mas lalo sa pag-creep up kasi nasabi mo G, 'di ba? We need to have that mental energy, mas lalo kung nando'n ka pa sa hurt phase na kalimutan 'tong taong 'to, kalimot, kalimot, kalimot. Pero nakakatawa lang na minsan hindi natin napapansin na hindi na natin kailangan ipaalala sa sarili natin na we have to forget about that person or that past or basically your past, you don't have to forget about it. Kasi literal, wala na talaga siya sa utak mo. Ang galing 'no?
Yes. Oo, yung parang oo, yung parang, "Oh yeah, that happened, but I don't have to conscious," parang hindi mo actively kailangan ko na siyang kalimutan, yung gano'n, 'di ba? Totoo
Alam mo may
'yan.
ganyan ako isang experience,
Sino 'yan?
isang ex, na ang
Ah,
nag-mention pa ay yung sister ko na parang sabi niya, "Uy, si person XYZ pala ganito, ganyan na." Sabi ko, "Ay talaga? Ah, okey." Ta's nakalimutan ko buhay talaga siya. Akala ko as in literal siguro man di man 2 minutes, pero siguro mga 30 seconds kong inisip, "Sino 'tong taong 'to?"
talaga? Oh
Oo,
my
sis.
God. Gets ko
Ta's biglang,
'yan.
"Ay
Gets,
okey."
gets.
'Di ba?
At saka ang
Grabe.
sarap nung feeling 'no, na after all that, lalo na kapagka nahirapan ka or hirap na hirap kang mag-move on dun sa isang tao and it was so ugly and alam mo yun, puwedeng binetray ka and everything and then you feel so free and you know that pit in your stomach, 'di ba, when that yung 'pag narinig mo lang yung pangalan, maalala mo lang yung scent and like whatever, pumunta kayo sa ganito, yung hindi mo na siya naaalala from all these fragments of things na ginawa niyo before
Yeah, yeah,
at wala na yung impact sa'yo. My God!
yeah.
My
At
God!
saka
That
sis
is like heaven on
At
earth.
saka sis yung
Hmm.
pumunta ka sa dating place of hangout niyo and then you see your old booth or your old chair, yung last chair niyo ta's ma-realize mo na before nung hurt ka pa na that was the last chair where we sat and talked. Ngayon maiisip mo na lang, "Oh, that's a chair." With a few memories from the past na okey na ako. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Grabe,
Ang sarap,
ang
ang
sarap.
sarap.
Dahil
Yun ang tatandaan niyo guys.
ikaw ba sis, was there like do you have an experience where nung na-realize mo na okay ka na, it just brought you indifference?
Yes, yes, I love it and that's the best feeling. That's the best revenge, alam mo yun? And I love that about me na I don't have to necessarily act on any revenge. Parang hindi ko kailangang mag-plot ng shit. I know parang ang ano ko lang talaga, ang coping mechanism ko is that I better myself, wow, better in my terms. Alam mo yun? And then just be happier. Alam mo yun, yung parang realize na, ay, walang nawala sa'kin. Okey, natapos tayo, pero walang nawala sa'kin. Wow! Tang-ina, coming from who yan, girl?
Sis, ang dami mong
I'm
quotable quotes
shaking.
today.
Grabe, girl! Girl, I knew this episode will slap. But, oo, Gosh, ang sarap ng feeling ng indifference and ito nga yung gusto kong iparating. Kasi ito talagang itong episode na 'to, hindi 'to para sa akin. Para ito sa mga tao na ano pa, shattered, wow! Sa mga may pinagdadaanan na kailangan ng kakampi. Kung feeling nyo man ay wala kayong kakampi, parang just parang trust the process talaga. Sobrang cliche and sobrang
Yeah.
bullshit pakinggan. Pero yun talaga, kailangan, you have to do the freaking work. And, di ba Pat, bago pa ako makarating sa lugar ng kapayapaan, ang kinakatakot ko was, what if hindi, alam mo yung parang pinapangunahan mo na paano pag hindi ako naka-move on? Parang girl, itry mo kaya muna. 'Di ba? Feeling ko yun yung isa sa mga nakakalimutan ng mga nagbo-move on na actually it has an expiration date. I mean, the earlier you actually try to move on, the better or like the earlier din na makakaahon ka dun sa feeling mo na hindi mo kaya.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. So yun. Ako may question ako for you.
Go.
Anong storya mo or anong story yung pinaka nahirapan kang mag-move on? Whether it's a relationship or non-relationship na took so much of your energy na akala mo hindi mo na mare-reach yung makakaahon ka or something.
Ako siguro it was more, paano ba? It was a relationship with myself on how to be kinder to myself without, you know, without the bullshit na parang, alam mo yun, yung wala yung excuse sa sarili mo. Up until now, I'm still, para siyang, yung past self ko, para siyang isang toxic ex na hindi, binabalikan ko na yung self ko ngayon ay yung present self ko ay parang, hindi ka tanga. Bakit mo inuulit yan? So, siguro I'm still at that point na I'm trying to better myself. Trying being the keyword. Kasi, yun nga, I mean, I know I have a lot of faults. Alam ko, madami ng feeling kung gusto na akong sukuan. Pero, thankfully, hindi pa naman nila ako sinusukuan. But now, I think, like 50% or 60% of my past self is gone. Kasi based on the cringe na kung paano ako magsalita, kung paano ako umarte on how to understand other people at hindi yung masabi lang na, "Sige, naintindihan kita," kahit di naman talaga kita naiintindihan. Alam mo yun?
That's really good, friend. I mean, that's an evolution, girl.
Yeah.
That took work before you arrive at that mindset or ano ba, behavior, di ba?
Yeah. And ang hirap
Mhm.
din kasi na yung, like say example, you're sharing a hard experience for me na hindi ko pa na experience ever. Ang hirap minsan na mag-empathize. Sometimes you have to realize na sometimes you don't have to empathize. Sometimes you just have to listen. That's enough empathy. Kasi minsan pag nagsalita ka pa, you're just gonna do more harm. And
So right. That's
mm.
so right.
At saka dati, girl, para akong Bob the Builder, I want to fix everything. Fix
Oo.
everything. Pero ngayon, parang, hindi ko aayusin yan kung ayaw mo rin siyang ayusin. Or hindi ko aayusin yung problem na yan kasi bakit ko siya aayusin? Anong,
Gets.
anong, anong point ko
Balik
dito?
sa'yo.
Oo, anong point?
Oo.
Parang basically, kung nag-ayos kayo dahil siguro nakatulong ako and siguro thankful sila doon. Pero if if I feel like anong point bakit ako tutulong? Kasi
Oo.
hindi niyo ma-fix parang nga sa'kin, mas maiintindihan kung maiintindihan ko baka makatulong ako. Kung hindi ko naiintindihan ta's you're asking for my help, I'll do more harm than good.
Gets.
Yes,
Oo.
'yan. At
Mm.
naka-move on na ako sis sa sometimes being nice is not nice for the other
Yeah.
person.
I'm
Yeah.
telling you. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sometimes being nice, ano ba? Mali pala. Sometimes being unkind or hindi pala
Mhm.
unkind, not nice is
Okay.
kindness. Yarn. Yun ang gusto ko
Oo.
sabihin. Yan.
Okay. Okay.
Ay.
Okay. Oh my
Wala
God.
akong
Eh, actually,
wala akong heavy na katulad mo na na-experience na ano, na, like loving someone that or losing someone
hindi
that you can't breathe.
gets. Oo,
Wala
oo.
pa sis,
Fuck that.
eh.
Oh my God. Okay lang yan, friend. And you know me, I will be there every step of the way. The way that you did your constant support and hyping me up during the times of grief.
Eto
Girl.
sis, maraming
Oo.
salamat. Pero eto
Oo naman.
speaking
Hindi
of
naman sa wini-wish ko na magkaroon kang gano'n, sana hindi. Pero
yeah,
eventually, yeah, most likely. Mhm.
wait lang, lumalabas yung
Hmm.
pagiging masama ng ugali ko, but would you wish
Okey lang,
that
ilabas mo.
salamat sis, thank you for accepting me. But would you wish that on someone that you hate? That kind of pain?
No naman, kasi yung no, I won't. I won't because yung mga hate, quote unquote hate ko, medyo petty hate naman siya. Hindi naman siya yung talagang sinusumpa ko 'tong mamatay ka na gano'n.
Oo.
Hindi siya gano'n, eh. Yung alam mo yung very, I just don't like you. Yeah, you're not my vibe." Gano'n lang yung quote unquote pagka-hate ko. But I do wish that some people break up just for the sake of
Tangina.
You know that?
Yes.
You know when I think of celebrities, 'di ba? And I say na, "Oh my gosh, they're magbe-break din naman yung mga hype na 'yan." Girl,
Alam mo ganyan yung
gano'n ako mag-hate.
sis, alam mo
Oh.
ganyan din sinabi ko kay Andrea Brillantes tsaka kay Richie Rivero.
Oh my
And look
God!
at them now. Ang sama ko, sorry. I'm not
Same,
rejoicing
totally
kasi
a mean girl.
heartbroken si
Yeah,
ate mo,
gets.
girl.
Oo naman. We feel for her. We feel for the broken.
Yes.
But
But I hate to say I
there are
told you so. I'm so sorry.
may itatanong akong medyo unrelated. It's just a follow-up question to what you were sharing na, do you think yung mga sinabi mo kanina, 'di ba, about yourself, like you're saying, parang goodbye or medyo nawala na sila, would you have, parang thought of those things, like, in a nutshell or an overview of those things, if wala tayong podcast? Like, kasi tayo hinihimay natin yung stuff, eh. So, parang masyado tayong alam mo yung nama-magnify natin na, "Oh, yeah, I suck at that because we talk about it actively." But would you, without the show, without without the show, would you have actually, like, consciously thought about, "Oh, yeah, I have to say goodbye. I have to move on from that past self."
I have a question bago ko sagutin. Are we still
Sige.
friends? At yung mga friends ko ba ngayon, basically, is my life still the same? Except without the
Oh,
show?
yeah.
Oh yeah, I would
Oo,
have.
oo, oo.
Much slower nga lang. But I would have.
Okay, so mare-realize mo siya.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Oo.
Wala lang, na-curious lang ako kasi parang iniisip ko yun na parang are we only, parang at the back of my head, are we only saying this or able to actually process this because we have this platform? Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Because not everybody has this chance na, oh yeah, hihimayin ko with another friend yung shit ko and all that. But yeah, yun lang.
Alam mo actually,
Kaya ako natanong.
kaya natutuwa ako sa mga, I mean on another unrelated note. Kaya natutuwa ako sa mga feelers natin kasi kasabay natin silang naghihimay ng feelings natin. And nakakatulong din sila sa mga realizations ko na parang, oh shit, I've been a bad person. Alam mo yun, yung parang I'm not being a
Yeah.
good friend or I'm not being my
Yeah.
best authentic self. Alam mo yun?
Mm,
Kaya
mm.
yung sa just to, circle back, ay ano,
Yeah.
yung sa pag-move on ng past self, may actually, kaya ako natanong yung indifference kasi naaalala ko siya na parang, okay, ganun pala ako dati. Yikes. Minsan nakikita ko yung dati kong ugali sa ibang tao na parang, that is
Mm,
so
mm.
familiar. Tapos ma-realize ko na, ay puta ako yun.
Exactly,
'Di ba?
exactly.
Tapos dun,
Girl, nagiging mirror sila, girl.
yes. Tapos
'Di ba?
makikita ko na parang, oh my God, I don't like my old self. I was trash.
Yeah, yeah.
Biodegradable, te, gano'n, nabubulok.
Yes. And yun din ang nakikita mo kapagka naka-move on ka na from another person, 'di ba? Na parang, I mean, not necessarily na, yeah, oh my God, they're trash, but to some extent, yun yung maiisip mo na, I cried for that fucking piece of shit. Like, that's so not me.
Yeah.
Like, that's so, and ito pa, ito yung gusto ko ding ano, siguro papunta tayo sa tips or whatever, but mga nugget of wisdom na nakukuha ko din. matatawa ka sa mga kaibigan mo kapagka nagmo-move on ka ta's medyo tapos ka na, ang puwede mo ring i-expect sa part na 'to, dun sa aftermath phase, is that they will tell you exactly what they think of the person. Like, my friend started saying na, "Oh, yeah, in the beginning pa lang, I freaking know that he's a fucking shit." Alam mo yun? Or, "Oh, yeah, we all know that this guy is yuck." Parang gano'n, girl, sasampalin ka nila ng katotohanan ta's matatawa ka na, "Oh, mga putang ina niyo pala, eh.
Alam
Ngayon kayo magsasalita?"
alam mo
Charing.
sis, diyan natatawa ako kasi ako guilty ako sa ganyan. Kasi
Mm,
kasi 'di ba
okey lang.
ano, 'pag ipapakilala mo yung isang tao to your friends, you want your friends to like that person. So, ako kaya guilty ako na, I remember nung pinakilala mo itong taong 'to, sabi ko parang, okey naman siya, okey. Pero merong feeling na parang, meh, may gano'ng
Oo.
feeling.
I
Oo,
know, but yeah, you
pero
gets ko 'yan,
dito
I
ako natatawa
understand.
sis, why do we
Ah,
have to parang why can't we tell it straight up to your friend? Like
yeah.
kung ako, why can't I tell
Yeah.
it straight up to you na parang, "Meh." Is it because of the
Mm.
disappointment na parang, why? Kasi 'di ba parang siyempre ikaw din as the person who's
Mm.
introducing that, the person coming into your life,
Yeah.
parang you'll defend that person, eh, 'di
Oo.
ba?
Oo, feeling ko it's not naman about being dishonest dun sa friend. Like kunwari ikaw, hindi naman sa nagiging dishonest ka, it's just that fini-filter mo pa. Kasi siguro ikaw, ito, iniisip ko kung ako yung nasa posisyon mo, I wouldn't want to oh my God, knowing me, I would not say shit. Because I want you to see it for yourself. Because I want you to learn on your own. Ganun ako kasi, parang I want you to apply. If I'm a teacher, ganun ako na parang, experience is the best teacher, guys. So, hahayaan kita. Magkamali ka, sige. Siyempre, pero 'pag alam ko namang hayop na talaga, alam mo yun, parang 'pag alam ko talagang, "Ay, putang ina na, hindi
Experience
talaga
with
eki."
guidance.
Oo, yung gano'n.
Okay,
Parang
gets.
I probably wouldn't say shit if I don't feel so strongly about it naman. Depende rin talaga kung gaano ko ba kakilala yon. So, siguro nung time na na-introduce ko itong person, parang siyempre you have a very surface level idea of that person, and you don't wanna come off as this judgmental girl na sobrang protective of me, puwedeng gano'n, 'di ba? And I don't think you're bad because of that. Parang, and I don't blame my friends for not saying shit. Alam mo yun? Kasi parang, andun nga tayo sa warming up, eh. Andun tayo sa, okay, let's get to know you first. Let's
Yeah,
see how it's gonna be. And exciting yun for me, di ba? Parang, as a person who's introducing someone, parang,
yeah.
I'm so excited. Ganon, tuwan-tuwa pa ako noon. Pero yeah, I mean, ang saya. Ang saya ma-experience yun and makikita mo din who your real friends are, because they're gonna tell you the truth at
Yeah.
some point. At some point.
Tsaka sis, sorry, alam mo napagtagpi ka lang, eh. 'Pag naka-ano ka na, 'pag medyo okey ka na, kaya ka matatawa kasi parang minsan matatawa ka sa sarili mo kasi you were so blinded. You were so blinded
Amen.
by everything
Amen.
na hindi mo siya napansin. It was like you were looking at that person with rose-colored glasses. You cannot see the
Yes,
flags. I mean, you
correct.
cannot see the
And
red flag.
oo, and even if you already knew of the red flags, it's sometimes hard to parang it's hard to recognize it as it is, eh. Parang you want to see the person in this perspective alone, na parang kahit na ano pang sagi ng red flag diyan, kahit anong kulay pa, gaano katingkad yung pagka-red nung flag, parang dahil gusto mo nga siyang gustuhin, kino-convince natin yung sarili natin na, "Hindi, it's okay." But at the end of the day, or at the tail end of that relationship, you'll understand why. Babalik ka din dun sa, okay, that red flag is actually I should have swerved." Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
But we don't swerve, girl. I don't
We
know.
run straight through.
Martir ka, girl. 'Di ba? Pero grabe, ang dami, nakakatuwa pag-usapan yung feeling na gano'n. Kasi now that I'm over everything, alam mo yung parang I'm so over everything na parang I just want to live in the present, I want to appreciate what I have now. Yun nga, kaya nga din gusto ko talagang pag-usapan 'to, not to boast about, "Oh my God, I've moved on," or "Naunahan ko kayo." Hindi gano'n. Alam mo yun, kasi posible at I'm sure na madami pa akong pagdadaanang gano'n tayo, 'di ba? Parang hindi itong pag-move on 'to, tangina baka phase 1 lang 'to mare, baka sa next, tanginang ibang tama na 'to girl. Ito ay patikim pa lang. Pero parang I feel like kasi people, kasi I know a couple of people who's in the moment that I was when I was 27, na parang they feel so defeated, they feel like wala na 'to. Alam mo yun yung parang ubus na ubus ka na at wala kang ibang bukang bibig na besides the fact na I am in pain and you want to distract yourself from reality. Okay yun, pero ang pinaka nakatulong sa akin was really facing it, like not running away from I don't think, Pat, I would be this at peace if I didn't do what I did, na hinarap ko talaga. Alam mo 'yan,
Yeah.
na parang I never run away from any kind of shit. I didn't do the shortcut way of things.
Yeah.
So yun. So yun yung mai-expect nyo, a full blissful feeling kapag ginawa niyo ng tama yung pag-move on. I don't know, but wala namang tama, walang mali. Pero alam mo yung, okay, I know I did a good job there because fuck that. Like,
Yeah.
who you? Wow!
Alam mo, ang napapansin ko sa lahat ng well, ang common theme naman talaga sa lahat na naka-move on, parang there's a peace at saka self-satisfaction. Kaya actually, natatawa ako kasi itong topic na 'to, naalala ko yung song ni Taylor Swift na I Forgot You Existed. Yun yung title, 'di
Yes! Oh
ba?
my God. I love that.
Tapos sis, kaya may favorite line ako dun, eh, na gusto ko lang ipasok dito. Sabi niya, "I forgot that you sent me a clear message, taught me some hard lessons. I just forget what they were. It's all just a blur." Kasi legit totoo. Totoo mas lalo sa mga friends na tinarantado ka, sa mga kaibigan na
Ay, putang
tinalikuran ka
ina.
or kinalimutan ka. Yung sa mga
Mm.
friends na akala mo nandyan, tas wala naman pala or alam mo yon, the people who didn't show up when you needed them the most, makakalimutan mo talaga
Gosh.
literal, it's all just a blur. Tas minsan 'pag nakausap
Totoo.
mo na sila tas na-realize mo ulit na, "Ay ba't ko nga pala siya kinakausap? Ay oo nga pala ayoko na sa kanya."
Mm.
Maalala mo lahat ng ginawa ta's parang, okay, now I remember. Okay, sige.
Oo, parang yeah,
They're a
thanks
passing
for
thought.
dropping by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a passing
Mm.
thought at yun yung after nun, dun yung mare-realize mo na tangina peace,
Peace,
peace.
correct. Yes. Oh, and oh my God, I remember when you're at the point na hindi mo na kine-question yung kahit na ano, like you don't question that, "Why? Bakit ako iniwan?" or "Bakit hindi nag-work? Bakit niya ako nasaktan? Bakit ganito?" Yung mga gano'n, 'pag natapos na yung mga tanong mong yun, most likely you're on the path to, "Oh yeah, I am actually healing or I'm moving on in a very," parang alam mo yun, papunta na ako dun sa finish line, quote unquote.
Yeah. When
Kasi
you
'di ba wala ka ng doubt, eh, parang sigurado ka na na, utang na ng tapos na 'tong putang inang paghihirap ko."
totoo, when you have the answers, ay,
Yeah, and
yes,
oh my God, and even not having the answers, but you're at peace, that's
yes.
the ultimate sign na, "Ay, I don't even need answers, bitch. I don't need them."
Wait, I have a
Bah,
question kasi
go.
we had this conversation before. At peace ka na, medyo at peace ka na at some point ta's
Uh-huh,
biglang,
uh-huh.
"I need the answers." Ta's 'pag nalaman mo yung answer, hindi ka na at
Fuck,
peace. My
girl,
question is,
mm.
would you risk knowing it? Parang, are you willing to know the answer in exchange for your peace?
My God, that's a very good question. Wait, naka-move on, nagsimula na ba akong mag-move
Yeah,
on? Or patapos na ako mag-move on tapos I get an answer?
yeah.
Or
Like let's say example, naging kayo ni Reggae John Page, nag-break kayo,
my love,
tapos biglang sinabi ko, "Gian, I have an important information about reggae,
gets.
about your relationship. Do you
Kinikilig.
want to find out?"
Oh my God, Pat, knowing me, I know na gusto kong malaman yung
In
katotohanan.
exchange for your
Ah,
peace, ha?
knowing me,
Oo.
pero ayun nga, knowing me, gusto ko malaman. Pero kung exchange for my peace, I think I now have the ability to say no. to the answer and say, you know what, Pat, you can have it. You can have it. You can have
Tangina.
it, but can I have him? Charing. Him meaning,
Mm.
charing.
Diyos ko.
But feeling ko ha, kung kunwari bukas mo sabihin sa akin yan, may alam ka, parang, Pat, ina mo, wag na, sa'yo na yan. Parang ganun
Oo.
na lang siguro.
Bakit pa?
Kasi parang,
Para saan pa?
bakit
Oo.
pa? Parang, I mean, I've reached my fucking peace. I wouldn't fucking trade that to, 'di ba? With anything. Because
Yeah.
like, I fucking, you know, did my best para makarating dun.
You did
So,
your
yeah.
time. Yeah.
I served that time. Oh. Tas ano, siguro yung, ano yun? Ito yung naalala ko na parang, I think when, sige, ano yun?
Hindi. May naisip lang ako. Go, go, go.
Okay. Yung pag nagmo-move on ka din, alam mo din, parang you can expect na okay ka na kapag yung good memories, hindi ka na nanghihinayang. When it's just good memories, na parang, okay, that happened. That was great. Thank you for that. Like, I love that memory. But I'm not attached to that memory, bitch. Like, okay, yeah, we ate in this restaurant and then, yeah. Yung, kinikilig talaga ako, guys. Oh my God, yun lang ang gusto ko sabihin.
Alam mo, speaking of that, meron kaming isang performance dati nung college. It's called Emotions. So, finals namin siya. And it's a movement piece. So, basically parang dance na we tell stories using our bodies, using movements. Tapos yung sa akin, about ganyan, moving on. Tapos ang song ko nun, Samson, one of my favorite songs.
God, that's so
I
sad.
know.
Sad songs.
Tapos yung,
Diba?
ang prof ko nun, at ang ating isa nating plus one, si Ate Nieto, parang sabi niya, the thing about moving on, it's not, hindi naman kasi siya yung parang maalala mo lahat bad memories. Ang maalala mo lahat yung good memories, kaya ayaw mo siyang pakawalan. Kaya nakarelate
Yes.
yung sinabi mo na,
Diba?
pag napakawalan mo na, pag okay na, yung parang, you can look at
Oo.
it and feel nothing, ay, die. You're
Oh my
free.
God. You're free. Oh my God.
You're free.
Yun, free. Yeah. Tapos yun, I think the parang, the most telling sign na talagang tapos ka na is wala ka nang nararamdaman. Yung parang, oh my God, yeah. And kaya mong harapin yung tao. Well, ewan ko, hindi pa naman nangyayari sa akin na kailangan kong harapin physically. But, alam mo yun, yung, it just doesn't matter. Like, okay, that's it. Ang sarap. So, yun. Para sa mga nagbo-move on. Wow, naging Mr. Ano yan? Ano yung sa radyo? Yung si Dr. Lovebine or something.
I see, yeah. Dr.
Yeah, feeling ko pag ganun na tayo eh. Pero yeah, I mean, I just want you guys to remember that, yeah, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah. Dating kayo sa point na I'm indifferent, makakalimutan nyo rin sila.
Yeah.
So, malalo nyo, ay,
Ma-
okay. At dahil dyan, we are moving on to our next segment. Yes, moving on to our next segment. Gian, where do we go from here?
Ako, Pat, oh my God, may na-realize ako na sana, dahil 'di ba ngayon I'm celebrating the fact na, oh yeah, I've achieved the hardest part of it. Parang I'm done with the hardest part of it, which is the moving on shit. Parang sana naman po wag niyo akong bigyan ng kailangan ko pa ulit mag-move on at i-practice itong skills na 'to. Sana po hindi naman tayo dun pumunta 'no, wag tayong pumunta dun. I'm just happy na nare-recognize ko talaga yung aftermath. I mean, like, the good aftermath of having to go through, a painful situation na mahirap mag-move on. It's the best feeling when you're really indifferent. I think that's the testament na tapos na ako. Parang this chapter is closed and I'm ready to make space for new people. And I just want this episode to be an invitation that I am available.
May call to action pala.
May call to action pala. Parang, I think I need a husband tomorrow, guys. Sorry. I know, cause I've healed. Wow! Pero hindi, ano lang. I mean, yun, gusto ko talagang maging kakampi ang mga taong nasaktan, naapi, at alam mo yon, naghihilom right now because I know how painful that could be. At alam ni Pat yung grief na pinagdaanan ko ng mga panahon na talagang bakit sabay-sabay silang lahat, alam mo yun? At bakit patong-patong and everything. So, 'pag gano'n, guys, go back to this episode, namnamin niyo yung kasiyahan na meron kami para ma-inspire tayo na hindi, I'm gonna do the work. Kasi yun, parang minsan 'di ba nakakatamad na parang, "Oh my God, bakit ko gagawin lahat ng yun and everything?" Tapos magre-relapse and shit. It happens at okay lang. But yeah, we have to forgive ourselves talaga. I think that's also one insight na parang kailangan or part nung moving on
Yeah.
na, may pagpapatawad palang kailangan mangyari. It's puwedeng both, na parang patawarin mo yung sarili mo, patawarin mo yung tao, and then, I don't know. And if you can't, it's okay. I think that's okay. I think hindi pa naman umabot yung situation ko na gano'n, na parang hindi ko talaga kayang patawarin 'tong taong 'to, parang hayop ka, gano'n. Hindi naman, I don't see it that way. But yeah, just a reminder to everyone who's in that process of letting go,
Yeah.
na it's okay to let go. I promise you that there's so much possibilities pa after. Kasi yun, Kaya tayo takot kasi takot tayong maubusan, mawalan, gano'n. Guys, hindi, walang nawala. It just ended. That's it.
Tayo na,
That's where I'm going, Pat.
ayoko na magsalita. Ang ganda na nun eh.
Okay, add ka na lang, addendum, gano'n.
Sige, mag-a-add ako. Isip ako ng maganda.
Dasal ka na hindi ka masaktan. Wow, na hindi mo kailangan ng episode na ito.
Yes. Sige, eto. Ito yung sa akin. I think moving on is kind of like rehab. You'll feel like you're in jail. You'll feel like you can't have a lot of things. Can't have that person again. Pero once na nakalabas ka naman na din doon, that's where the real work begins. Hindi naman din ibig sabihin na, ay nakalimutan ko na siya, okay na. Kasi yung mga times na akala mo naka-move on ka na, pero hindi ka pa pala nakaka-move on. So, minsan sinusubok tayo ng panahon, but again, it takes time for you to achieve peace, for you to achieve na makakalimutan mo siya literal sa utak mo, na-erase siya sa utak mo. Tapos mayroon lang magre-remind sa'yo na, okay, buhay pala siya. And okay lang kahit hindi mo siya madaliin. Because, again, it takes time. Hindi lahat ng tao kaya siya i-achieve in 3 months, 6 months. Ako nga, it took me years to finally move on from some things. And that's okay. It takes time. And sometimes it takes practice. Sometimes you just need to remind yourself na, okay, tuloy lang tayo. Just keep your head down and work on yourself, hindi trabaho talaga. And siguro, I would just like to leave here na it's always nice for us to think na at the end of the tunnel, there's light, there's peace. Pero sometimes, okay lang na damdamin yung mga bagay na mabigat, mahapde. Kasi hindi naman lahat, minsan, nandun yung peace. Yun. I think that's it. Ako, based on ano lang yun and on my thing. And then and then, okay. Soon, nandun yung peace. Somewhere down there. So, yun. I guess that's it. So, guys, if you enjoy this episode, again, don't forget to rate 5 stars. At dahil dyan, this has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Iiwanan po namin kayo ng isang mensahe na suportahan niyo po ang plataforma namin ni Gian para isulong ang aming paglalakbay sa Singapore para kay Maring Taylor Swift. Bye!